Hey everybody, that KLR guy again. I took a little spill without crash bars, and I'm going to try to fix up this cowling with some JB Weld. First put some painter's tape on here to hold the fragments together, and I also found some plaster tape to put on the back. I'm going to weld it up, and I'll show you guys the end result. Alright, I'm back in the garage after using JB Weld. As you can see, there's just a little line. And here's the back. Pretty pleased with it. Now it's time to just put it on the bike. And just like magic, she's back together. Now it's just time to replace that turn signal.